Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be tackling a common coding interview problem. The two-sum problem. We'll understand what the problem is, what we want to achieve, and then provide a solution in Java. Don't worry, I'll provide the code and description for Python, C, and also for JavaScript by the end of this video. You'll have a clear understanding of how to solve this problem efficiently. The problem at hand is as follows. Given an array of integers nums and an integer target, we need to find and return the indices of two numbers in the array such that they add up to the given target. Here's an example. Our array is nums 2, 7, 11, 15, and our target is 9 and showing the output as 0, 1, because num 0, nums 1 equals to 9, so we return 0, 1. To solve this problem, we'll use a common technique known as the hash map approach. So what we can do, we'll iterate through the array, and for each element, we'll check if the difference between the target and the current element exists in our hash map. If it does, we found the pair of numbers that add up to the target. And if the element is not in the hash map, then we will add the element to the hash map. So let's try now. So let's try run our program. So when our for loop will run, our first element is 2. And to determine its complement, we differentiate 9 as 2, and we found 7. So we will check if our map contains the key 7. If it has that at the end, we will return. But as we can see that map don't have 2, so what we do, we will put the number 2 with its index into our map. Now let's move to the next index. Now our current value is 7, so to determine its complement, we subtract target minus number. So now our complement is 2 after subtracting 7 from 9, so we will check in our map. So as we can see, our map has the key 2, so we can just return our value from its key with index. So we will have our output 0, 1. Isn't it so simple? Let's move to Leetcode section where we will code. Please make sure you have Java selected here. As I explained, let's first create a map as hash map, which take its key and value as integer. Then we have a for loop, which will run till the length of our nums array. Then we determine our complement by subtracting nums from target. And then we will check if map is having any similar key to our complement. If it have one, then we will return new int array of map, get complement and index. If not, then we will add this complement as key and index as value in our hash map. Now let's say our for loop is completed and we don't find any element, that we just simply return new int array of 0. Now let's run our code and wait for a few seconds. Yup, as you can see, our program runs successfully now. You've just learned how to solve the two-sum problem in Java. This approach has a time complexity of O(n), making it an efficient solution for this problem. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more coding tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, feel free to leave a comment below.